Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a 10 by 10 inch canvas and by 10 by 10 by 2 and some French silk. Prizm pourer and some Chantilly lace, which may look the same but is not. One is more like diamonds, one is more like iridescent. It throws all kinds of colors. This time, this is larger, I'm going to use a little bit of mead and black across the bottom. I'm going to use my Mayan gold. I'm not sure what, I'm not putting down a pattern for any particular reason other than I want it to be organic looking when I pull through it. I've got African violet. You could just do this in stripes. It does work that way. So I may actually just do some stripes. This is my Neptunes Gaze. I have another color I mixed and it's got to be someplace right around here. I think. There it is. I found it. And it is Neptunes Gaze and some frosted. I've been craving some turquoises. Give it a brief shake, make sure it's ready to go. I want to use a bunch of purples, but the cerulean blue right next to the frozen is one of the big stars of my recent paint pouring. I've been trying to remember to put down some blocks. Here's the Twilight Orchid. That's a stellar color. I will be pulling through using acetate cards or little tools or whatever. This is not open again. I want you to be open, frozen. Alright, well, just going to take a chance. I need to replace my bottle's top. It's not allowing me free flow. I still want some pinks. Gotta do something about that. I'm really being called to some of this. Wow, that's some Baltic amber. Okay. Well, I used some of that earlier. That's a beautiful color. That's a gorgeous color. I could probably just rest with that without doing the pinks. Or the greens. But I'm not sure I can keep myself from wanting to do the oranges. So let's use a little bit of the Tuscan Sun. Yeah, that's perfect. Am I done? I have some silver, some true silver. I'm not sure if that's a good idea or not, but I'm going to try it. Okay, so what I've got left is some water dragon or some dark water, and I think I'm going to go with the dark water because it's a brighter turquoise, because I'm really thinking that this one's a lot about the turquoise, though I might regret not having to put some of I was thinking about get my words out. Oh, that's perfect. I was thinking about what putting some lighter colors in there, but that is pretty much what I used the Chantilly lace and the French silk for. Okay, I like that just as it is, and because of that I'm going to give myself the pleasure of a photograph. And then go back again and be ready to use my flashlight. I got crumbly paint things all over my fingers. So I have a bunch of cell activator from my last foray, and I'm thinking that I'm going to pick up a bunch of it before it's completely dry, put it on my little tool, use a slight amount of pressure, put that Baltic Amber back. Kind of missing the blue velvet, and I'm thinking I'm going to go for it anyway. Am I? Maybe I'm not. Yes, I am. And I'm not minding any of that. I am enjoying using the white cell activator is Aussie Floetrol and Amsterdam White. And that was Magenta from Golden. And yep, I'm shaking. For some reason, I'm nervous. And I do want to just scrape off my paint and press it against the edges. I have some orange and I'm going to use it right after I wipe off my... It's Australian Floetrol and some unicorn spit, some orange unicorn spit. That's pretty cool. So far so good. Wishing I had some blue. Thinking I'd like to go from the other direction and do the same color on the other side. Tempted by some white. Let's do a little white. Contemplating leaving the stripes in between, depending on how I like them. Okay, I'm really liking that a lot. I've got 4. I can do one more stripe. I can pick up my colors too and use them if I want to. Okay, what's it going to be? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Black? Purple. That's it. Purple is dioxazine purple. It's a master's touch. I'm going to go purple and white. And I really want some black. Just moving that around so it fills the paddle. I will, if I don't remember to put the link to the tutorial to make these tools, just mention it to me and I will do my best to add that underneath the video. This is fun. These are great colors. I'm really liking this a lot. I'm wondering if I should drag a skewer through anything. I think I'm going to scrape off my tool on the edge there. I don't really know that I need to do anything else to that. That's pretty cool. Once I put a skewer in there, it is what it is. Okay, I have a skewer and I'm going to find out what it is. And I don't mind it. I'm not going to put that one right in the middle. Ever so gently. Do I need them all the way down? Do I really need to pull them through? I could just roll it. Go back and forth. And use my residuals on the edge. Perfect. Well, relatively anyway. I'm putting 2 in here. Beautiful colors. Throw a line in here. Use the residuals over there. Just basically have a good time. I see a bubble. My opportunity is to squash it. And another bubble. All right, that's cool. I'm cool. Well, I'm relatively speaking. I love you guys. I want to thank you for all the donations that help keep me painting. Thank you so much. If you'd like to be a contributor to the monthly drawing and see the prizes on the exhibition video at the beginning, on the end screen of this video, look for my PayPal icon on my YouTube channel banner. I want to steal some paint. Throw a few dots in, just as a rogue element. I like rogue elements. Thinking that could have been some pink dots, but I kind of like what I've got, so I'm not going to complain much. Maybe some turquoise dots. Or some purple ones. Or some blue ones. Oh, the blues are nice. My last video I said I was going to blow into things with a straw and I never did it to uncover the colors. But I don't think I mind what's happening here. It's quite beautiful, at least in my opinion. I'm going to zoom in and shine a light. It's pretty much a geometric. I've got some pretty cells over here. I've got a few bubbles I need to pop. Pop, pop, pop. I did not use pillow paint in the background, so I can legitimately, hopefully my head's not obscuring everything, I can legitimately torch. My paint pouring recipe is below Show More when you open Show More under the video to find my email address underneath the link tree and the link tree. And on the link tree you're going to find my Amazon link and my The Gallerist, my Society 6, my Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my Facebook group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group. I keep looking for... I've given up on the shimmer. Sometimes I get it and sometimes I don't. But I do like shining the light for getting bubbles. It works well. I recommend it, in fact. Alright, I so love you guys. You inspire the heck out of me. What am I forgetting? I don't know. I'm completely distracted by my pretty painting with the fun textures and wonderful colors. Don't forget the Prizm Pour 20% off Colour Arte coupon code, promo code underneath the video. Should you happen to be interested, you help me out by shopping there, the same as you would on my Amazon link, or purchasing anything from Spring Clothing, which is below the video. If you're looking for a particular pattern and you can't find it at Spring, or Pixels.com, or Fine Art America, or Society 6, or The Gallerist, you can always ask me and I will be happy to add something. I'm kind of like, I wonder if there's something I want over here. And I'm wondering if I have enough gold. To be belligerent. Yeah, okay. Ha! That was unexpected. Okay, so I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery saying, gosh, I hope I shimmered some of that at you because it's so pretty. I'll see you anon. Priscilla out.